Thank you for watching Inspire Math videos. Today we're going to study how to multiply a fraction by a whole number. Before we get into today's topic, let us point out the common mistake. Look at the example 2 times 3 over 4. Some people may think to multiply 2 to both the numerator 3 and the denominator 4 of 3 over 4. But if you do, you get 2 times 3, which is equal to 6, and 2 times 4, which is equal to 8, which is 6 over 8. Because 6 over 8 can be simplified by dividing both by 2 to get 3 over 4, clearly 2 times 3 over 4 is not the same as 3 over 4. So you don't multiply a whole number to both the numerator and the denominator. It will become an equivalent fraction, not multiplication. There is a brief note for multiplication. It is exchangeable, which means you can exchange two numbers by each other. For example, 7 times 4 is the same as 4 times 7. Let's also consider the word of in mathematics. For example, 2 of 3. That means there are 2 3's, which means 2 times 3. So 2 of 3 means 2 times 3 in math. Thus, 2 of 3 over 4 would mean 2 times 3 over 4. Now let's consider 2 times 3 over 4. This means 2 of 3 over 4. The diagram is like this, which is the same as this, which is 1 and 2 over 4. This can be changed to an improper fraction. 1 times 4 plus 2 equals 6 as a numerator, and the denominator stays the same. So 1 and 2 over 4 is 6 over 4. This means that 2 times 3 over 4 is equal to 6 over 4. If you look carefully at 6 over 4, 6 came from 2 times 3. Therefore, a whole number times a fraction can be found by multiplying the whole number and the numerator of the fraction, and the denominator stays the same. By the way, for the answer 6 over 4, it is not the simplest form, so we can divide both the numerator 6 and the denominator 4 by 2 to get the final answer, which is 3 over 2. Let's see the next question. 1 and 3 over 5 times 3. This means 3 of 1 and 3 over 5. The diagram is like this. So we have 3 whole numbers and 9 1/5. The denominator stays the same. If you look at the answer 3 and 9 over 5, the whole number part 3 can be found by 1 times 3, and the numerator part 9 can be found by 3 times 3. Therefore, a whole number times a mixed number can be found by multiplying the whole number to the whole number part and the numerator part of the mixed number separately, and the denominator stays the same. The 9 over 5 part of the answer 3 and 9 over 5 is an improper fraction, and mixed numbers should not have an improper fraction inside of it, so we need to change it. 3 and 9 over 5 looks like this. The numerator part 9 is equal to 1 times 5 plus 4. We have 1 whole number and 4 1/5, so we need to add 1 to the whole number 3, which is 4. Therefore, the final answer is 4 and 4 over 5. Let's summarize today's lesson. A fraction times a whole number can be calculated by multiplying a numerator by a whole number, and the denominator stays the same. Here's an example. A mixed number times a whole number can be calculated by multiplying a whole number to both the whole number part and the numerator part separately, and the denominator stays the same. Here's an example for that. Here are some challenge questions. Try them out. Sample solutions are linked under the video. Press Show More below the video and then find its link. Hope you can solve them. Thank you for watching Inspire Math videos. Please subscribe if you'd like to join our Inspire Math tutoring community. There are some related videos linked below. Press Show More for details. Thank you and have a good one.